Everybody's afraid to talk to her. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 011527 State versus Mandy Wallace. Can I have parties announced?
Brian Brigg, State. Christopher Simpkins for the defense.
And are you Miss Wallace? All right, Miss Wallace, you were actually supposed to be here on July 23rd. And let me just tell you what happened. The jail was not transporting females.
Oh.
I don't know what the reason for that was, but they would only transport males. And the females got left at the jail, and some came, but they came extremely late. I've said that's inefficient, but you know, who am I? So this is the soonest we could get you here. So I didn't want you to think that we set you and we were not prepared to receive you and hear your case. So the issue with that, you'll have to take that up with the, who is it? Is this the sergeant? What's the sergeant's name? Who is the new sergeant in charge of transportation?
Oh, Jarzamek?
I'm sorry, what?
Jarzamek.
Yeah, you need to talk to Sergeant Jarzamek, and they can spell that for you because that's the person who should have got the females transported here today. Some reason females were always at the end of lists. All right. And you are Miss Wallace. Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Mandy Eileen Wallace, who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2025 CR 011527 for the offense of credit card or debit card abuse on October 20, 2025 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
Judge will be proceeding on violation of condition number 1, specifically that on or about the 15th day of May, 2026, in Berry County, Texas, the defendant, Mandy Eileen Wallace, committed the offense of criminal trespass in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Judge will also be proceeding on another violation of condition number 1, specifically that on or about the 16th day of May, 2026, in Berry County, Texas, the defendant, Mandy Eileen Wallace, committed the offense of possession of a controlled substance in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? She said true.
Okay.
Yes.
Judge will be waiving the remaining allegations.
Any objection?
We have no objection, Your Honor.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court can find it true, grant the motion, and find you guilty of counts 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1 and 1? Court will find 1 and 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to revoke the defendant and sentence her to 10 months in state jail.
Is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
Ms. Wallace, are you asking that the court follow that agreement?
Yes.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Okay.
Your Honor.
Oh, yes, sir. Sorry. Yes.
All right, so here's my question. 1, has she paid the restitution to Frost Bank, $245.21? All right, and probation, what's your recommendation?
Judge, recommendation that's on the court summary is that if the court disposes pending the number 1 cases, amend to complete the mental health evaluation to Comey in custody on 10/15/26 and follow the recommendation for it to be notified of the recommendation upon completion of the evaluation.
All right. Ms. Wallace, you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record. All right, so why are you committing criminal trespass? Did you not have a place to stay?
No, ma'am. I left a friend's house that evening, and it was late at night actually. And there was a gate that was open right at the school because I was going through the school to go home, and I saw that the gate was open, and I was kind of like curious on why the gate would be open and the gate. So I went in and there was nobody around. And I noticed that the gym was open, so the gym was open. And I let them know that I was just, it was a school and I was.
Did you go inside the gym?
No, I did not.
All right. And then what is happening with the drug use? How often are you using?
Every so often. I mean, I just.
What does that mean?
It was weekly.
All right. So here's the thing. I'm gonna give you a choice.
Yeah.
It's completely up to you what you decide to do. Probation is saying that they want you to be evaluated by the mental health unit. Have you ever been diagnosed with mental health issues?
No,
Have you ever been on any type of medication?
yes, I have.
What for?
Zoloft and abuse, and it was for bipolar, it was for depression.
Bipolar and depression.
No, just depression and anxiety.
Okay. So one, what I can do is I can follow the agreement that's been reached, revoke you, sentence you to 2 months in the state jail facility. I don't think that's really going to help you. I think the issue is you have a drug issue and you may have mental health issues, and they really can't determine your proper or appropriate mental health diagnosis if you're not clean and sober. So I can either sentence you to your 10 months in the state jail facility. That time is day for day, or either I can continue you and you're going to be in custody for a TAP evaluation, mental health evaluation, and the recommendations will be followed. And they may say you need to go to safety. So it's completely up to you. Which do you prefer?
So rather do 10 months, stay jail.
Okay, I thought so. Okay. Court is finding 1 and 1 true. The court is going to sentence you to 10 months. State you may be excused. All right, counts 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 will run concurrently. And each count, court will sentence you to 10 months in the state jail facility. And I'm sorry, court is going to find you guilty and revoke. Court will request the therapeutic community. That's to help you with any issues you may have. It does not increase the time you're in custody, but it's hopefully to help you rehabilitate yourself and give you guidance. There's to be restitution of $245.21 to Frost Bank. There's to be no contact with Brian Vasquez. And there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors and no residing in households with minors. All right. And that cause number, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. All right, good luck to you.
Petitioner Brooks.
Yes.
Main heading, Court Files. Main message, experience real courtroom justice unfold. From sentencing hearings and judge rulings to shocking true crime cases, Court Files brings you authentic courtroom moments. Call to action. Subscribe. Turn on notifications. Bottom categories, real cases, judge rulings, sentencing hearings, true crime.